I've been with ABC now going on 17 years, and I feel very lucky that we have a really strong company. I don't think if there's anybody out there that can get anything printed, it would be ABC. Clients are always contacting me or my shop for really unique solutions. It seems like nowadays, even though there's a little less printing, the quality of printing and the deliverables are a lot higher. So we're able to offer that custom solution that's a little more than just off the shelf. We're able to work with our clients and share what we can do and how we can take things like laser cutting, 3D printing, and using an oversized printer that you would typically do prints to wrap a building with to make a unique deliverable. But we're able to offer these quick turnaround, high-end solutions.